Hello everyone, welcome to SS Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to optimize your SolidWorks settings to get the faster performance. Before beginning, I want to clear that many of these changes will not increase the modeling performance of functionality, but some of them compromise the degree of functionality and favors the faster performance. First, we will start from add-ins. You can see all the add-ins has the last load time, and all of them take some degree of load time. Especially the SolidWorks inspection, the SolidWorks scan is taking too much time for load. Just uncheck them. The SolidWorks toolbox library is important. Just select it. Then click OK. Next, go to Options. Click on Document Properties. Scroll down to Image Quality and make these two at low. Make sure that this box is unchecked and this Improve Curve Quality box is also should be unchecked. Then go to the System Options. Then in General, make sure that Enable Freeze Bar is selected. Also keep Rebuild Error Occur to Prompt. Make sure the Show Thumbnail Graphics in Windows Explorer is unchecked. Also uncheck this box Show Latest Technical Alerts. Next, I will go to Drawings and scroll down to Performance. I will uncheck the top two boxes. One is Show Content while dragging drawing view and Allow Auto Update when opening drawings. Then I will go to Display Style. In both of the Edge Quality selection, I will choose Draft Quality. Next, I will go to Colors. Under Colors, in the Viewport background, I will choose Plain. And I will make sure that these two boxes are checked. One is Use Specified Color for drawing paper color and another is Use Specified Color for shaded with edged mode. Next, I will go to Display. For Assembly Transparency, I will select Maintain Assembly Transparency. In Anti-Aliasing, I will select None. Then we will go to Performance. In Performance, first of all, have a look on Verification on Rebuild. This will help in modeling of very complex parts, but it also added the long processing time. So it is better to keep it unchecked. Also in Transparency, uncheck these high quality boxes. Also in Curvature Generation, put it low. In Assembly, check Automatically Load Component Lightweight, and in Don't Check, make it Indicate. And for the other two, keep it Prompt. For the Matte Animation Speed, keep it Slow. Then we will go to Assemblies. Check this box Save New Component to External Files. Make sure this box is checked Use Lightweight Model and Large Assembly setting when the number of component exceeds, and keep the numbers to 300. In Large Assembly settings, check this box Do Not Save Auto Recover Information. Then we will go to External References. In External References, uncheck this box Reference Document Specified in File Location. Keep it Prompt. Then we will go to Feature Manager. Uncheck the box Use Transparent Flyout Feature Manager Tree in Parts Assemblies. Then we will go to View. In View, uncheck this box Zoom to Fit when changing to Standard View, and put all the sliders to Off or Slow. Finally, we will go to Search and ensure that the index only when computer is idle is selected. Always keep in mind, after doing this setting, if you get some undesirable results, and if you know where the problem actually is, you can go to that page and you can click on reset, and then you can click to reset this page only. You can also select to reset all option. It will reset all the settings to default. This will complete your SolidWorks optimization settings. Now you can enjoy the SolidWorks at its best. Thanks for watching.